Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set or change default font size for text in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. Now you see font and font size is 15 pt. We are using point. So we are going to set or change default font size. Now go to Elementor page and then you see menu bar, so click on it, and then you see site settings, so again click on it. Then in design system you see global font, so click on it. Now you see system font and then you see text, so click on pencil icon, so click on it. Now you see size 15 pt. So this is our default font size for Elementor website for text. So we are going to increase it like 19. So we are going to add 19 and then click on update. Now you see your changes have been updated. Now go to website page. So current size is 15 points. Now refresh the page. Now you see text font size is increased to 19 points. Back to Elementor page. We are in site setting and then you see text. So from here you can change or set default font size for paragraph or text in Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.